Remy was a young man from a small town. He worked in a big company in the city and earned a lot of money. He lived in a big flat and had a luxury car. Many people respected him because of his money, but his life was not happy. In his village, there was a simple girl named Emma. She loved Remy when he was poor and just starting his career. She always supported him in his hard times. But after getting a good job, Remy became very busy and slowly started ignoring her. One day, Remy met a rich businessman's daughter who was very beautiful and rich. His friends told him to marry her because she had a lot of money and property. Remy thought money would make his life perfect, so he agreed to marry her. After marriage, Remy had everything money, car, big house, but he had no peace. His wife only cared about parties, shopping, and status. There was no love, no understanding. He started missing Emma, who truly cared for him. One evening, he returned to his village and met Emma. She was now a teacher and helping poor children. She smiled and asked, "Are you happy?" Remy had no answer. He realized that real happiness is not in money, but in true love and care.